In this video, I will explain you how you can use Bybit Dual Asset investment to generate a guaranteed income in crypto within 5 minutes. I will explain you exactly what Bybit Dual Asset is, what the options are, and how you can capitalize on this new future that Bybit is offering. And at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you a secret ingredient, how you can maximize the profits using dual asset investment. What is dual asset? Well, dual asset is basically a future on Bybit that allows traders to sell options. Normally this is more common with traditional finance, but this is also coming to crypto. I see you asking, what are options? Well, an option is a financial contract that gives the holder the right but not the obligation to buy or sell an asset at a predetermined price before or at a specific expiration date. Very simple. You provide an option, other traders can buy that option, and you get money for providing that option. And if you don't understand it right now, don't worry, it's pretty easy. I'll guide you through it. Bybit offers two options that you can choose from. That's either buy low, invest with a stablecoin, US dollar Tether, or sell high, and that is investing with Bitcoin. They're both actually pretty similar, but let's have a look at this table right here so it might become a little bit clear. So let's say you want to invest with US dollar Tether. The price of Bitcoin at the time when you do this is 20,000 US dollars. The duration of this contract, let's say, is 8 hours, because we often have a duration of 8 hours, sometimes 1 day, sometimes 3 days, and sometimes even 5 days. But it is short periods of time. So after the expiration date, which can be 8 hours, 1 day, 3 days, or 5 days, if the price is below 20,000 US dollars, which is below the price it was when you started this option, you will basically get paid out in crypto. So you will get paid out 1 Bitcoin and 0.01 Bitcoin. So you will get basically a reward for making this option. While normally, if you would have bought Bitcoin back then when Bitcoin was trading at 20,000 US dollars, you only get 1 Bitcoin. So your yield will be 0.01 Bitcoin. If the price goes above 20,000 US dollars at the expiration date, you will get paid out in US dollar Tether. So you will get your 20,000 US dollar Tether back, including the reward, which is 200 US dollar Tether, which is a very good profit for a short amount of time. So either way it goes, you'll end up having more crypto or more US dollar Tether depending on what the price does. Now, let's have a look at the sell high option, invest with Bitcoin. If you would invest with Bitcoin, let's say the price of Bitcoin is 25,000 US dollar, you'll invest with 1 Bitcoin. Well, at the expiration date, which again can be 8 hours, 1 day, 3 days, or 5 days, if the price is below 25,000 US dollars, you will get paid out in crypto. So you will basically get 1.01 Bitcoin, depending on the APR, of course, of that specific option that you are trading. And when the price is above 25,000 US dollars at the expiration date, you will get paid out in US dollars. So you still make a profit. So what's the catch right here? Well, let's say you invest with 1 Bitcoin. Bitcoin is 25,000 and it goes to 26,000, right? You actually could have made 1,000 during that time period, but you didn't because you actually used this option. However, this is actually a guaranteed profit. So if the price of Bitcoin, for example, stays the same in 8 hours, so the price is 25,000 and in 8 hours the price is again 25,000, then you actually made 250 US dollar profit, or maybe 0.01 Bitcoin, depending if we are slightly above or slightly below 25,000 US dollars. So for low volatile market conditions, this is a great option to earn basically a passive income. Guys, if you have any questions on this moment, make sure to drop them in the comment section. I will answer them as soon as possible. And if you like this video, if you got any value out of it, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Now, how can you start with dual asset? First of all, you need to log into your Bybit account. And if you don't have an account yet over on Bybit, then you should scroll below this video, and in the pinned comment or in the description, you can find my Bybit affiliate link. And if you join Bybit through this affiliate link, you can get a 30,000 US dollar deposit bonus, and you can get access to Will Alerts, which is a private Telegram channel where you can get extra information on the markets. And it's been pretty crazy because for the past 3 months, we have been accurately predicting every single move in the Bitcoin price on our private Telegram will alerts. So once you're logged into your Bybit account, you go to Finance, you click on Bybit Structured Products, and there you can see Dual Asset. You click on Dual Asset, and you scroll down below right here on this page, you can find all the product plans. You can select whether you want to invest with US dollar Tether or want to invest with Bitcoin or any other token. If you scroll down below, you can click on more, then you can find all the plans. Here you even have APRs up to 600%. That's pretty crazy, guys. And if you scroll down, you can also see there are multiple currencies. So you can do it with Ethereum, MNT, 1inch, many altcoins, and there are even 8 pages right here. So for everyone, there's definitely something right here. The product plan, you simply just click on select. Do take in mind there are some that are VIP only. If you want to become VIP, you need to have a specific amount of trading volume over on Bybit to be able to select these VIP only plans. So what are the main benefits for using Bybit Dual Asset? Well, first of all, guys, you can make profit in any market conditions, even with low volatile markets, which are the best conditions to make profit using this specific product. Anyhow, it just depends on how you get paid those profits, either in US dollars or in that crypto. Second one, there is no liquidation risk. Normally when you open a trade with leverage, you have a risk of being liquidated. Well, that's not possible with Bybit Dual Asset. The third benefit is that it's really short term. You only have to lock up your crypto for 8 hours, 1, 3 or 5 days. The fourth benefit is that the yields are insane. You can actually make quite some money using this future over on Bybit. And the fifth benefit is that it's very easy to use. You just look something, choose your plan, select it, wait until the expiration time is over and get paid. Guys, I promised you a secret ingredient to make even better price predictions when you use Bybit Dual Asset, and that is of course Wheel Portal Pro Charts, and in specific the sentiment heat map, because the sentiment heat map, guys, is maybe one of the best indicators that you can use for short-term price predictions. So if you want to know what the price of Bitcoin most likely is going to do in the next 8 hours, 1, 3 or 5 days, you can use this indicator. So for example, right here, generally when we are seeing a negative sentiment, the price tends to go up afterwards, but that's short time. But when we see positive sentiment, like extremely bullish sentiment by this specific indicator, we can see that the price often goes down for the next hours, the next days ahead. So therefore you can make very accurate short-term price predictions just by looking at the sentiment. So in that way you can actually get a higher likelihood of the outcome of Bitcoin and combine that with using Bybit Dual Asset Future. If you want to learn more about these charts from Wheel Portal, you can find links down below in the description. But okay guys, that was it for today's video tutorial on how to use Bybit Dual Asset. If you got any value out of this video, if you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever we upload new videos. If you have any questions left, drop them in the comment section and I will answer them as soon as possible. Also guys, I've been making a lot of Bybit tutorials and I would highly recommend to watch all of these tutorials to get the most out of Bybit, to know exactly how you, for example, can use other futures like copy trading, but also how you can use that in such a way to minimize your risk and to maximize your profits. So guys, make sure to watch those tutorials as well. I have links to those tutorials in the description, or you can check my Bybit tutorial playlist. I want to wish every single one of you a beautiful day today, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.